Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a GPU that is not detected in Device Manager on Windows. First, open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Open it, then click View at the top and select Show Hidden Devices. Now, expand Display Adapters. Look for your graphics card in the list. If the GPU appears grayed out, right-click it and select Enable Device. This can bring the graphics card back into the active device list. If you still cannot see your GPU, click Action at the top of Device Manager and select Scan for hardware changes. Windows will now search for connected hardware and may detect your graphics card automatically. Next, check the Other Devices section. If you see a video controller, Microsoft Basic Display Adapter, or an unknown device with a yellow warning icon, right-click it and select Update Driver. If nothing works, try downloading and installing the latest drivers for your GPU from the official website. After installing the drivers, your GPU will be detected in the Device Manager as well. Thanks for watching.